Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the undo send time in Outlook. So if you want more time to decide whether to unsend a message, you can easily adjust the delay by following this tutorial. It's gonna be very easy and simple. So you can open your Outlook app and then go to your file here in the top navigation and then click settings. Now you can navigate to the mail and you can go to compose and reply. And if you scroll down, you will find the undo send time settings. So you can set it maybe 10 seconds or 15 seconds. There's also recommended delay. So up to 10 seconds, choosing a delay longer than 10 seconds may result in the email not being sent due to the network issues. So you have to, consider this. So maybe I want to make it 10 seconds and then click save. So I think that's it. Let me know if this helped.